that spring is here. And spring rains a lot.
Awesome!
So, we're going to learn about repaso de la consonante M y sus sílabas. Look, this is M. Wait a minute. Everybody, stop talking. Stop talking.
Okay.
I have to say it again now. This is la letra M.
That's nice.
Does everybody remember how to make the sound of la letra M? Okay, nobody remembers, so I have to say it again. Okay, let's go with the pictures. Mariposa means butterfly. Manzana means apple. It's so yummy and healthy. Mono means monkey. Hoo hoo ha ha, hoo hoo ha ha. Okay. But we're gonna color and glue this picture. I put this on your desk, so you're gonna have to find it, and we're gonna do this in part 2. I'll be right back. Okay, first we're gonna glue and then we're gonna color. So first, let's glue the names to each other. There's syllabus in it. See, Mesa. You can either do it with your clapping or your jaw. Now, start. Wait a minute. Rex, Tori, and Trina. Please, can you please be quiet for just a moment? I'm just teaching. Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, start. Okay, we're done.
Nice job.
Here is what you had to put. This is Mimo. Mimo, 2 syllables. This is Mama. Mama has 2 syllables. This is Mesa. Mesa. It has 2 syllables. Masa. Masa. It has 2 syllables. Suma. Suma. 2 syllables.
Wow!
Me. 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 2 syllables. All of them has 2 syllables. All of them has dos syllabus. Okay, now guys, continue coloring. I want to see it beautiful, not scribble scrabble. Okay?
Okay.
Don't just take one color and then scribble scrabble all of them. And yeah, don't do that. I want to see it beautiful. So continue. go with Mama. Okay, brown hair. Like this one. Do you have brown hair? I have brown hair. It's like a darkish brown. Both has red. Okay. Now let's go with Mesa. Like this. This is a Mesa.
That's nice.
Oh, massaging. I like massages.
Yeah.
Massa. Okay, now let's go with me. We're almost done. And the shirt, the bow, now the skin. Okay, we're done.
Nice job.
Now show me y'all's pictures. Pretty good. Okay, Mimo means clown, like somebody is acting like a clown. Mama means mom or mommy. I call my mom mommy. Mesa means table. And masa means massage. And suma means sum, like addition or subtraction. Like, yeah, that's a sum. And Mimi, it's a name. I'll be right back. Okay, now we're gonna color the one. Okay, now it's the second practice. Okay, take out your pictures. Show me. Show me all this that looks the same. Okay, on this picture, at first we're gonna color the ones that start with la letra M. And then on the bottom, we're gonna trace the dot lines, the dots. Okay. Now we're gonna color the one. Okay, now it's the second practice. Okay, take out your pictures. Show me. Show me all this that looks the same. Okay, on this picture, at first we're gonna color the ones that start with la letra M. And then on the bottom, we're gonna trace the dot lines, the dots. Okay, now continue coloring. Okay, now sound out all of the pictures that has la letra M, but in Spanish, to see if you can color it or not, because you have to color the ones that start with la letra M. Now continue! This one is mano. It has la letra M, so you can color it. On the second one is mesa. So it has la letra M in it. So we could color it. But let's check something out. Because let's think if it has la letra M or not. To, ma, to. So it has la letra M in it. Yeah. Did I guess wrong? Sorry, it's just a silly thing. So let's not color that one. Let's not color it. So we don't think that counts. No. So we're not gonna color it. On the fourth one is mapa. It has la letra M in it. So let's color it.
Okay.
Nice job.
Okay. On the fifth one, it says it is carro. No.
Oh no!
No. So, because it doesn't have la letra M in it. So, let's not color that one. On the last one, the sixth one, the very last, is mono. It has la letra M in it. So, we could color it. My mono looks funny.
Good job.
Okay, we're done. But with the top. So, let's go to the bottom, the very last one. Okay. Now trace the dots. On the first one it says me. Let's trace a me.
Okay.
Get y'all's pencils out.
Wow!
And if y'all have an eraser in case y'all make mistakes, that's fine. Because I'm gonna use my pen. Did you know these words are in cursive? So you can learn in cursive words but in Spanish. Okay. Raise your hand if you're done tracing it. Okay, now let's go to the next one. It says mama. So let's trace it. Okay, now let's go to me. Let's trace it. Okay, now let's go to the last one on the first line. It says mima. Okay, let's go to the sentence. Mi mamá me mima. And then the second one, Meli lame la miel. Okay. That's today's 2 practices. But tell your mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, your sister, brother, anyone part of your family to subscribe and help me to get 1 million subscribers or 10 million. Okay, so I could get that YouTube play button. My first one. Bye guys, and God bless you. Yeah, God bless you.